Might have heard about Andromeda a lot, specifically people who are creators, marketers, founders who are running meta ads. This video, I'll make it a very simpler crash course for you to understand the whole logic. So, what has happened is the machine learning algorithms of Meta are able to detect what is happening in the video and are able to do something that in marketing term called as cohorting. And I figured out a use case for that 40-year-old to use it. It is one cohort. I gave the same product to a 21-year-old and I asked her to figure out a use case which is for her, becomes another cohort. Your cast, what is being said in the first 5 seconds, 6 seconds of the video, what are the keywords that are used inside the video, what are the keywords used on top of the video as an overlay. As a combination, the algo is able to learn and the algo is able to figure out what is that audience that it should signal or show your ad to. Now, here is where the majority of the problem statement starts coming in. You may be thinking all of your ads look different, but if all of your ads are talking to the same customer or the same consumer cohort, or at least a similar consumer cohort, without having any change in logic, principle, inciting, casting, background, like I'll tell you a funny scenario. I have seen there are certain categories where if I do an indoor shoot with the same character and if I make the same character wear a spec, wear slightly old money look, and ask him or her to just walk outside in the outdoor, there are difference in customer acquisition cost. There is a difference in city targeting logic as well. In fact, I have seen this. If I speak Hindi in the North Indian accent or in a North Indian style versus I speak Hindi in a East Indian tone, the targeting that the algo is able to figure out is different. Now, what does it mean? It means that the whole industry is now fragmented. The content creators who are running ads to sell courses or to sell whatever they want cannot be creating same kind of content, and it is more nuanced. What worked for organic is not the same that will work for your performance marketing. The founders and the performance marketing head, if you think that a lot of control is in your ad set and in your campaigns, no, it is in your ad, which means you need to do this inciting research even stronger to come up with interesting ideas and principles. And the ideas are not just a creative job, it is a research job as well.